Has officially started at 7:21. Target heavier breeze now. And even not see it as a night. Alright people, I don't know see me. But I go at a higher ground to see what we can capture. Because Kingston is in it for it now. Kingston I get it now people. I get it now. I can't hear it, don't. Yeah, I get it now. My gosh. My gosh, I see rain and blow. Kingston. Yeah, I get it now, Kingston man. So when you can get a little bit closer. Sorry for the camera quality. At night now. You can see rain over there so. The breeze are below it. These are strong man. So I can't sleep, so I'm up. I'm in the bathroom and the bathroom echoes. So this is Flatbridge. I don't think my ears are hearing me when I'm talking as loud as I can. Again, the bathroom echoes because it's like 4:43 in the morning. I can't sleep at all, so I'm giving you guys an update. So this is Flatbridge. There. Oh my god. How do people sleep through these things? You're not gonna see horrible. This is half the tree. This is Barbican. Cameras have no audio, by the way. Good morning guys. I'm whispering because it's crazy. I'm not even supposed to be outside, but doing a check-in at 11:44. We have successfully been getting rain and wind from about 6 something. You're gonna see it in the earlier part of the video. Successful. So this is a check-in. I did check-in with my co-workers, see if everybody's okay, because it's crazy. It's really crazy. We're just getting a lot of wind in KSA, or in my neck of the woods in KSA, and the rain is not that bad. It's just a lot of wind. So that's my check-in. I got an advisory from work saying that we're supposed to stay inside, avoid the roads and stuff. I don't plan on going on the road. This is as updating as it gets for me personally, because I ain't chancing it on this road in this wind. Where would I be going, right? But I'm just gonna continue watch some TikToks and some YouTube. I don't think it has hit us yet. The last check I did was near 2. What that is? The Senti side, between Senti and Westmoreland, I think close, if not west of Treasure Beach. If you know which part Treasure Beach, they're supposed to know more where we go. But yeah, the wind still come from St. Thomas side, so I get the outskirts of it all. So yeah, but the wind's strong. It not blow or anything yet. Nobody roof no lift up yet with me there, so that's good. That's very good. But it's scary though. And I'm going to Burial, and this obviously this works on Burial because this actually a hit way, but This is scary. So I hope you guys are staying safe. So I know I told you guys I'm going back inside, but the rain kind of hold me up here. Yeah, I'm gonna wait until the rain stop little. So I'm gonna get blow down them steps here when I try to go back down. Yeah, this is crazy. I'm not even get at a bad angle. As so bad it is, my phone is waterproof and can't push it out. Can't push it out, I'll literally really make push it out. This is what I'm working with. It might not look like much, but you see the breeze that we are blowing and the raindrops that we now see? Yeah, man. The breeze that we are blowing. This is me in the hurricane. Bula and tea. Bula and tea. I'm hungry. I'm hungry bad. And flow finally gone. Look on here. We have current but flow gone. Tell me flow no wicked. See blinking online light? Wicked flow.
Will you answer me?
I'm messing with you. I win.
That's not funny. Okay, this is the last.
Alright guys, final video for the day. So in KSA, my neck of the woods at KSA, where I get wind, where I get rain, but nothing feel like, you know, as dangerous to fly off nobody rooftop or anything like that. But sorry for the video being so long. Because once rain fall, the lighting and you know it. Anyways, this is my final video. I'm gonna upload the one your phone today. We still have current. So the place in the video earlier was the Wi-Fi gone. Wi-Fi they kind of come back after me reboot the box. GPS chip out 3 times, not 6 times. I get about 6 notifications from GPS. We say we are aware of the outage in the area and all that. Yeah, so I think it touched me. It touched me on our Black River side. So yeah, man, you can hear the rain in the background. Rain start pick up. So before no water. So this is it from me. So officially I get the storm officially. So guys, at 5:39, basically at this point in time, I get a lot of rain, a lot of rain. I'm gonna show up better before the waterproof, so I can't hear it still. Yeah. Rain for days. We made it back to sunny skies.